The true meaning of life is to plant trees under whose shade you do not expect to sit. A poignant quote that succinctly sums up the My Tree Legacy promotion being put forward by the Forestry Department.
This is the first generation of human beings who would have the opportunity to stop climate change.
In 2019, government through the Forestry Department launched its 3 Million Trees initiative. The aim? Plant trees to represent the island's 3 million inhabitants over a 3-year period, improving tree cover, building climate resilience, meeting the nationally determined contributions under the various climate agreements, while beautifying Jamaica, land we love, are also expected outcomes of this program.
Planting seeds of hope and planting an understanding that we have to care for our environment as well as to be responsible.
It is not just because it sounds like a very nice thing to do to plant trees. It is a very real strategic response in being a responsible government, a responsible nation, a caring nation about our planet and our atmosphere and our climate and our environment, to plant trees.
Up to June 2021, over 656,000 seedlings were distributed and planted. But that's just from the Forestry Department. Other ministries, agencies, and departments of government have since joined the program. The initiative has also taken on new life with the private sector, civil society, and ordinary Jamaicans answering the call. And to kick the program into higher gear is the My Tree Legacy promotion. It's the latest off-branch to the National Tree Planting Initiative.
We're not planting trees for our benefit, but for the benefit of generations to come. I invite you to join us, as together we can leave a strong legacy, and we will achieve this target of planting 3 million trees.
The hashtag My Tree Legacy promotion intends to take advantage of the strong and vibrant school spirit that's ingrained in our DNA by inviting past students to plant trees at their alma maters.
This will allow us to leave an additional legacy to our current and future students of our dear school.
The program started at St. Jago High School in St. Catherine, where 22 seedlings were planted. Alumni associations at Northern Caribbean University, Clarendon College, Glenmuir, Garvey Maceo, Vere Technical, Ferncourt, Homewood, and St. Catherine High Schools have also left their mark.
These plants will be cared for and will ultimately grow into mature trees. They will represent strength and uprightness, which epitomize our students and all stakeholders.
We promise that we will all care for these precious trees, nurturing them so that our students, present and future, will enjoy their beauty and purpose.
We invite you to partner with us, not only by planting and maintaining the trees, but also by raising awareness and by spreading the word among your family, friends, and colleagues so that they too may become involved.
Here's how you can get involved with the My Tree Legacy promotion. First things first, get in touch with your alma mater to identify spaces for planting. Once that's finalized, a call to the Forestry Department will secure technical advice and seedlings for the planting activity. The agency may be reached at 876-618-3205 or email fdinfo@forestry.gov.jm. Remember, once the trees are collected, they should be planted within 2 to 3 days. And be sure to share your efforts on social media using the hashtag MyTreeLegacy. It would also be nice if the Forestry Department's social media handles are tagged. Make your mark, leave your legacy, give the gift of life. Plant your tree today.